Soy una herramienta para la creatividad, ya que mi vida es simplemente una hoja en blanco. Soy un instrumento que se toca con luz. Cuando toco su música no puedo brillar, pero espero que el público nos dé una oportunidad.
I'm Leaf Cutter John. I'm a musician and producer. So this is quite simple really. There are 16 LDRs, which are light dependent resistors. That is basically the inside. And then a tiny little teensy microcontroller which takes all the light information and sends it out as MIDI to the computer. As you shine, that data goes and is mapped to, in this case, the volume of different sine waves. And then by using lots of different processes, I can build up kind of rhythmic stuff. So I can add a kind of reverb and pitch. I guess the confidence to try, because when I was really young, about 5-6 years old, my brother and I would play in my grandfather's shed, which was basically full of really sharp tools and petrol and things that could set on fire. And we were trusted, I guess, to not do anything too crazy, but we would use our holiday time to make wooden robots and all kinds of kind of cool metal and wood things. Now there's so much information and online, which I've had to learn making this. If you're a little bit motivated, you can learn yourself, you can teach yourself. There are hack spaces now where there are just huge groups of people with all kinds of knowledge, from robotics through to biological chemistry and anything you could imagine. It's quite an amazing time to be living in.